When the winter wind blows, you can sometimes feel a chill coming through your electrical outlets and switches. Here's a quick tip that will not only keep your house warmer, but will also save on energy bills. You can buy electrical outlet sealers at your local hardware store or home center, and they're very easy to install. Let me show you how. Just take a screwdriver and remove your faceplate. Then punch out the inserts on the sealer. These come out fairly easy. Then place the sealer right over the electrical plugs. Might need to adjust it just a little. And then put the faceplate right back on and snug it down with a screwdriver. You want to make sure that you don't tighten this too much because you don't want the faceplate to crack. Or if you want to make your own, you can buy a sheet of foam that's 1/8 of an inch thick and use your electrical plate as a template and just draw around the middle and then cut the middle out. Either way, this quick tip is not only friendly to the environment, but also to your wallet.